off with red. Let's go red in the back. All right, this is the wreath we're going to use. We can move it aside for a second. Okay, let's go 16 inches. Come to the center. We're going to tie our bow up first. Come to the middle and twist that. Let's come out at 6 inches and twist. 6 inches on this side and twist. Fantastic. So I put red and blue and then the red. Now I'm putting the red in. So I did a 3-2-1 bow. We call that a blast off bow. Now I'm going to take this off, and this will be our bow to make the last project with. And we're going to do a wreath. Okay, let's put these in. Oh my gosh. So cute already, just a bow. All right, let's get some of the greenery. Let's cut a couple pieces out and let's kind of get a base going. We have a little bit of sunflower left we can use. Let's put it in here. I'm going to wait to put the bow in. We'll put it off to the side, but let's start to create our base. Let's come up to the middle. We'll just be popping these in, and I am covering any of that glue with moss to make it pretty. This is going to be a fun piece to make because I've got to make, you know, it's kind of like one of those things. I got to make what I have work and make it just as grand as I can. So I think we'll still have a greenery left when we're done. Those of you on YouTube, I hope you're having a great night. And please subscribe to our channel. Got a longer piece. We're going to let this one kind of come down in there. Okay, nice. All right, let's get in here. I know I want to make the most of my sunflowers. We got to make these scream. I've only got 4 left. We're going to make them work. Y'all, if you're just getting here, we're using the supplies from the BBBB Box. And we have so far made 2 other projects. And we're trying to make another smaller wreath with the pieces left. It's a challenge. I'm going to take and bring in 2 bigger sunflowers over here. But I'm going to kind of work them towards the middle. So the greenery is the longest and these are kind of towards the front. I'll let that dude to kind of go over there. So you guys, if you subscribe and you got one either earlier or right now, you got one of the last few left, you are going to get next month's box, okay? I've only got a little bit of that filler flower left, but we're going to make it work. Put a little more greenery in there. I'm going to use a little bit more. Okay, I'm going to bring this one in. I think this one should go this way. And I'm trying to go not through the back, guys. Keep it in the layers. Okay, that looks good. Okay, we've got 2 here. We've got 2 here. We've made our bow. Okay. Now let's get in here. We've got blueberries left. We have just a little filler flower. This is what's left. Now, if you guys just getting here, here's what we've made so far. We've made a big lantern swag, a little lantern swag. Okay. We've made these so far. And now we're making a wreath to coordinate with those. Here's the daisy bush. We're going to use a little bit of that. And I told you yesterday, I like that it's a pusher, so we're going to make it a little shorter. A little bit of daisy coming in. Let's have a little bit of daisy going down. All right, let's go up higher. And let's put a couple of them in here. I'm just tucking these in. I was telling everyone in design school earlier how I was just in my little happy place, creating with them. And sometimes, you know, you get in the zone. Anytime you can see that glue, just cover it up. Okay, so I tucked a little daisy in. I've got just a little tinge of filler flower left, so I'm going to hold on to that for a second. I got a little bit of blue. Hold on to that. Let's go with what we have the most of. I've got a couple of berries. I think we're going to use the big piece towards the top. We're just having fun. We're just playing with all these flowers. And, you know, when I say have fun with flowers, I'm serious. That's what we're doing. Having fun with flowers. Ooh, so chunky. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Don't you want to just like dun 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 dun? Ch 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 ch. I can't help it. I can't help it. Gotta touch them. Gotta watch it wiggle. See it gentle. Okay, let's come up here. Let these kind of cluster up. I like that. We got a pop of blue, pop of blue. Let's get in there and cover that up. I'm gonna go ahead and put the bow in, and then we're gonna pop in the rest of our BBB box. Look how pretty. Let's pop this in. Now we're gonna kind of have a party around the bow. Let's get this tight. Trim that off. You guys, so if you wanted a BBB box, you're watching this or later on the replay, just put BBB in the comments. We'll send you the link to the wait list or the actual items if we have any available left for this month. And it'll be a different box. This one's sold out. They sell out every month. I usually do a video working with the products so you can see how to use them, get some inspiration. I'm going to curl these up and I'm going to leave these long. Let me get that. Hold on. Let me turn it towards me for just a second. They're a little bit spread out. Sometimes you got to look at it. Now, I'm ready to add some berries in and my little bit of filler flower, and I got a little bit of blue. Okay, let's put this little bit of white in. I think up here at the top. Let's just have that cluster right by the bow. I think that'll be really sweet. Let's pop it in. Oh yeah, nice and chunky right there. Now I'm going to spread out my berries a little, and I like to kind of twist these together. And we'll get them twisted, and then we can put them in. These are so nice because they're smaller scale. So sometimes you need to add in smaller scale things because it adds that great detail. But literally these came clustered so cute. You could have put the little cluster on your tier tray. They're so beautiful. Oh gosh, that's cute. That's a winner. Love it. Let's do one more at the top. Isn't that cute? All right, finally, I've got a little bit of the blue filler flower. We're going to add this last. So I'm going to add these in just like a little bit of twiggy twig. So let's come and just have this one kind of come out of the bottom, right under the wreath. Yeah, how cute. Woo! How cute is this? So let me show you all three, guys, okay? So this is what we made with last month's BBB box. Remember, it's not available anymore. And the only thing I have left is some greenery. I used every piece of the florals. I've got a little greenery left. So there was the wreath we made tonight. We started off with the little lantern swag. Just a little petite lantern swag. Okay? Here's our lantern. Here's our sweet little swag. Okay? This is going to be so cute in the store together. Alright? Now, I could also attach this to, it could go on a frame. It could go on all kinds of things. It's just a baby swag. Okay? Then we went ahead and made a big swag for big lanterns. And in here, we use sunflowers. This would look really cute attached to the side of a mirror too in your home. Just to pop in a little color for the patriotic. Look how cute. So we did all that from the subscription box to give you some examples. You could have made one really big, huge wreath, or you could have made several small wreaths, at least probably two. You could even put these fun stars. The only things that didn't come in the box would have been the ribbon. The ribbon, I don't put ribbon in my boxes, and you won't get like the grapevine base, but you'll get all the florals and things that coordinate. So this kind of gives you a great idea of what you get in a BBB box. So they don't always have something fun like this. Sometimes they'll have more twigs, berries, branches, and buds. That's what the BBBB stands for. So that's what you get in there. And this is just an example so you know. And hopefully this inspired you to make something else of your own and have fun with flowers just like I have been doing all day today. Bye, Blue Merinos.